my new polishes through their paces today, so I'm going to be using it on everything I turn. So this is the friction polish. We're going to put that in here. Grab a, and it's already shining it up pretty good there. All right. Like any good friction polish, you want to create that friction, and then there should be very little wax feel to this when you're done. Yeah, nice. That's very nice. Okay, it's shining, very shiny. All right, now I'm going to give it a little bit of the finish wax, and I can just use my finger, I think, with this one. A little bit of it. Doesn't take much. And what I like about this finishing wax that I've been putting together is it strengthens the wood, creates a good polish, but also it it will give you a feel of the wood, not a feel like it's been waxed. That's what I don't like about some of these other finishes. Sometimes there's a couple different problems you can have. You can have a problem where it feels like it's waxed, or like there's a coating and that coating comes off. CA glue is really good, but you can also have the problem of sticky finishes, and people can do CA, but then you don't feel the wood. I like to feel the wood, or at least feel like I'm feeling the wood. And the third piece is that this has oils that normally, like oils that you would normally put in like with a brush or something like that, and they become sticky, and there's all sorts of problems with getting them on too thick or too thin. And there you have the finish. And I'll see if I can get that in there really close for you. You can see the shine on that. It is very shiny. That is, you can, well, let's see if I can take this out of here. Stand that up for just a second. Put these back on. Mandrel. I don't like to just lay them down because that's how you lose them. And boy, I've lost my share over time. Okay. So I'll set that aside. And bring this over here for you to see a little better, I guess. I can. That's the finish that I get now with that. And it only took, 30 seconds or so? And I could buff it even more if I wanted to, but I think you get the idea. It so far seems to be doing